What's up, guys? It's the Eagle. We're back here for another episode of Eagle Tech Talk. So this video is going to be just a quick one. As you saw from the title, we got the new Samsung Galaxy Buds. So this was part of the this was the free promotion with the pre-order of the S10. See, limited time, not for resale. Not like I would turn around and sell them. I mean, I'm sure some people do. All right. Nothing up here, just the paperwork. Don't care about that. Up here we have extra fins and tips to adjust the fitment to your ear. I didn't need any of that. It fit really well right out of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this baby out. One thing I do love is so many more devices becoming USB Type-C. You know, the new iPad's USB Type-C. GoPro's USB Type-C, so you know it's less cables I have to carry around when I'm traveling or out creating videos. So look at this. Here's what we got. Now this case is great because look, easily fits in my pocket like nothing. So like I don't have to lose the earbuds or worry about anything like that. So when you open them up. See? And if you look, these might see fit pretty well. They don't fall out, which is good. I do a lot of walking. I will tell you this. I know people. I've seen some people online talking about the audio quality. I think the audio quality is fine. You know, I don't expect from wireless earbuds this small. I don't expect. You know, like I'm listening to Bose Quiet Comfort headphones or, you know, studio headphones or something. But I listen to a lot of podcasts, things like that. And it sounds great. It's comparable to, you know, actually probably about the same as these AKG headphones that have been coming with every Samsung phone since the S8, which, understandable. Samsung, AKG, these are tuned by AKG, so makes perfect sense. I'll show you the easy, with this, it all pairs through the Galaxy Wearable app, which I already have on my phone, because, you know, I've always had Samsung watches. So I will tell you the biggest thing I recommend if you're going to get these, or if you're getting them as the promotion, come into the equalizer, switch it on to dynamic. I have noticed, you know, like I said, the audio quality's been good. Sometimes it gets loud for no reason, like, and then it'll drop to like normal levels. I don't know if that's a software issue or something with the earbuds themselves. Software updates will fix it. It had a software update as soon as I got it in the mail the other day. I don't leave notifications on because that did get annoying. Like whenever Facebook or something would be PIXI-B or whatever talking to me, so I leave that off. Now down here, this I use a lot because I do a lot of walking and you know, I got the ambient sound. Right now I have it turned off. It's all right, you know, nothing too special. Yeah, and then, you know, you have this for if you lose it, which is really cool because that does happen. And then also, in addition, in here in the app, you can adjust what the touchpads do. I just have it to play pause, and then I have the double tap to, you know, switch to the next song. So that's really all I need, play pause, and then switch to the next song or switch to the previous song. Battery life's been great. Whenever I'm not, you know, like when I'm at work, like if I'm sitting, you know, throughout the day, I'll just put these in the case. I've never had any battery issues. I want to test them. Going camping here in a few months, I want to really test and see how long the battery life listens to with my normal usage. But, podcasts, you know. So that's it, guys. Not much to it. They're just, you know, Bluetooth earbuds. You know, comment below if you like wireless earbuds or if, you know, you like wired, whether headphones like this or big over-the-ear headphones. I want to thank y'all for joining me. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.